So today we will be making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies with the PBfit peanut flour. We have all of our ingredients here: our organic butter, baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, the flour, chocolate chips, 1 egg, and salt. Oh, and vanilla extract. All the ingredients are organic. Well, I don't know if the Celtic sea salt is, but it's delicious.
I don't think there's such a thing as organic salt.
I don't think there's organic salt. That's probably not a thing. So we're gonna get started. First, we need to soften our butter because I did not take it out of the fridge last night. So to do that, we are going to stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds.
I unplugged the microwave to save power.
And while that's happening, we're gonna start getting our ingredients into my fancy little mixer that I love.
It's your favorite thing in the world.
It literally is. It's amazing. Alright, so we need 1 1/4 cup peanut butter flour. There's 1. Just gonna put all of our cup. Butter. One teaspoon baking soda. Teaspoon of salt. Third cup regular sugar. You might have like just enough. Perfect. Literally just enough. And a third cup brown sugar.
And 1 cup of extra love.
That's one of the last ingredients.
Mm.
Yeah, add the extra love at the end so that I know it doesn't get over processed.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna combine all that real quick. This thing is amazing. It has a blender that goes on the top. It has a meat grinder and cheese shredder and veggie shredder that goes over here. And it's got like every little attachment for mixing that you could possibly want. All right, so now we do 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Got it.
You're the best assistant.
Until we have kids.
Oh yes, someday we'll replace you as my assistant.
Yes.
1 organic egg. Oh, I did it. And our butter. And then we mix. And while that is mixing, I'm going to prep our cookie sheets. And we should probably put the oven. So when I do the cookies on the cookie sheet, I don't grease the entire cookie sheet. I only grease the spots that I'm actually going to put the cookies. Alright, so one thing you'll notice about the PBfit powder with the peanut flour is it makes it a little bit thicker than some other cookie doughs, but it's really good. So you kind of gotta like squish it out of the little blender thingy. Because now is when we get to add the yummy parts. Well, they're all yummy, but now we get to add our monk fruit chocolate chips. It says you're supposed to put a cup in, but I don't measure chocolate chips because that's where the extra love is. You measure chocolate with your heart.
Such wisdom.
So as you can see, it's nice and thick, so it gets stuck up in here. You just take your little spatula and you scoop it back out. It's perfect. Okay, so to make the cookies, you can use an ice cream scoop. I usually just do it with my hands, and I roll them into little balls so that then I know that they're all going to be the right size and they won't be misshapen. One thing about the peanut flour is you do have to push them down so that they're flat, otherwise they're going to be puffy, which is fine if you want puffy cookies. It's really up to you. Okay, cookies are all done. Oh, now they just go in the oven.
Temperature
Is set to 350. The instructions say to leave them in for 11 to 12 minutes. Our oven runs a little hot, so I only ever leave them in for like 9 minutes, and then I pull them out.
Yeah, we got an oven troll.
with the magic of editing, they're done.
Okay, so perfect cookies. And then I just always like to take the fork and squish them down a little bit so they're not so puffy. Kind of like when you make peanut butter cookies.
They go good with milk.
Yes. And I looked it up last night, and I believe it's 4 grams of protein per cookie.
Impressive.
So they're gluten-free, and they've got a little bit more protein than a regular cookie would. That's it.
Oui, oui.
Let them sit and cool so you don't burn your mouth off.